This short video will show you how to download a copy of Endnote onto your Mac. Before you start, you need to set up VPN on your Mac, and I'll point out the instructions on how to do this later on in the video. To begin, go to the library webpage at www.lancaster.ac.uk/library and scroll down the page until you find the referencing tile. Go to the tile and select Endnote from the list. From here, click on the Endnote Desktop Guide and choose the tab Accessing Endnote Desktop. Click on Accessing Endnote on a Mac. From here, click on the link Install Endnote for Mac. You'll be taken to a page called Endnote Installation Help and Training. From here, go to the link Install Endnote for Mac. If you haven't already installed VPN, click on the instructions Connect to the VPN using a Mac. From this page, click on the link License Keys and File Locations. You may be prompted to enter your Lancaster username and password. Click on Endnote and copy and paste the URL into Safari browser. Further down this page, you'll find a serial number and product key. Make a note of these as you'll need those for installation later. You'll be asked to enter your Lancaster username and password. From here, double-click on Mac X9 and then click on the Endnote X9 installer.dmg. Double-click on Install Endnote X9 and then click on Install. Before you do so, you need to make sure that Microsoft Word has been closed on your Mac. Click on Next and then enter the product key. Just enter your details and click Next. Finally, click on I accept the license agreement and Next. And enter your username and password. You'll now find Endnote available from the Launchpad.